Hey guys, good afternoon. Tony here. I did want to update you guys on the breakout strategy and which ones I do have open, what have I closed, and what's going on. So for Eaton, you guys know that I did have a breakout for ETN. I actually ended up closing all of my Eatons today, I think for an average profit of 50% on each side. I did have these running up until I think August 20th, but we did have a huge jump today towards the upside where we went from 157 to 162, and basically IB jumped like crazy, premium jumped like crazy, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna take the sell and I'm not gonna look back. So that basically takes it to 646 for the breakout strategy, which is pretty fantastic. I mean, so far it's been pretty well. BTU, still in BTU, and all my contracts I'm down 22%. I'm still in Shopify, I think. Still in Shopify. Overall, I am down 34% on Shopify. And I have, I think, Crowd. On my Crowd. Overall, down 56% on my Crowd holding. So, down the most on Crowd. And I think those are the only three that I actually have open. I think I just have Crowd, BTU, and Shopify left. I was holding Dollar General and McDonald's, which are still a pretty good breakout strategy play, but I actually sold that to buy a little bit more Robinhood. I actually ended up buying a little bit more of a bigger position on RKT just because earnings is coming up. So I used that money to kind of put it into somewhere else. And I did sell Dollar General and McDonald's for a profit, but I wouldn't really count that in for the breakout strategy because I didn't actually, hold it out for a little bit longer. So I'm not going to count that as a breakout strategy. But so far, it is 6 for 6. We did run on Nike, Costco, Apple, DocuSign, and Pepsi. And also, and today with Eaton. So I think that's 6 for 6. Every single one of those hit. I'm hoping that it stays consistent, but again, I'm not expecting every single play to actually hit and give a nice return. But for the most part, we are 6 for 6 on the breakout strategy, at least for the ones that I've done. And I think I know a lot of you guys have started playing the breakout strategy. I know a lot of you guys played, some of you guys played Lulu, some of you guys played Dollar General, I think Home Depot, possibly eBay, I think AAP, ADP. I don't know. There's a couple that you guys have talked about to look into. I think this week I am going to be looking at CarMax. Someone from YouTube actually brought that ticker up, and CarMax looks absolutely insane. I think CarMax is going to be a really solid breakout strategy play. The next one that I'm going to be looking into. I am going to be looking into Lemon. I want to see where Lululemon is. And just a couple more tickers that I might look into. But again, you guys know that I don't actually buy anything until maybe Thursday, Friday, when that weekly candle is actually getting a little bit closer to close. So if on the weekly on Thursday, the candle looks like it's actually going to close, I might buy like one. But then on Friday, I don't actually buy my positions later until like maybe 11 or 12-ish in the afternoon, right before market close. But I have to be at least 95% sure that the weekly is going to close above that 1 fib level, right? That's what we're looking for. But yeah, so far, breakout strategy, 6 for 6. Still in Crowd, still in Shopify, still in BTU. Currently down for all those tickers, but I still have another, I think, basically 20 days for all of those to play out. I know for Crowd, I still have up until the 20th, and I think Shopify, I think I have my calls for September. And then I think for BTU, I think they also expire on the 20th. So I have like 2 more weeks or so relatively on what's going on. But I'll keep you guys updated on the breakout strategy if I decide to do anything else, and then we'll kind of go from there. Have a great day, guys.